Hi everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Antalya, one of Turkey's most beautiful Mediterranean destinations, where ancient history, turquoise beaches, dramatic cliffs, lively bazaars, and relaxing coastal vibes come together to create an unforgettable travel experience. Located along the famous Turquoise Coast, Antalya is a city that blends old-world charm with modern comfort, offering something for every type of traveler. You can spend your mornings exploring Roman ruins, your afternoons swimming in clear blue water, and your evenings enjoying delicious Turkish food while watching the sun set over the sea. Whether you are looking for culture, adventure, or pure relaxation, Antalya welcomes you with warm hospitality and stunning scenery. Let's explore the 10 best things to do in Antalya, each offering an equally detailed and memorable highlight of this Mediterranean paradise. 1. Explore Kaleiçi Old Town. Kaleiçi is the historic heart of Antalya and one of the most charming places you will visit in the city. This old district is filled with narrow cobblestone streets, beautifully restored Ottoman houses, small boutique hotels, and cozy cafes tucked into quiet corners. Walking through Kaleiçi feels like stepping back in time, yet the area remains lively and full of modern energy. Visitors can browse local shops selling handmade crafts, Turkish lamps, carpets, and souvenirs while enjoying the relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere. The old harbor below adds even more charm, with boats gently floating against a backdrop of ancient walls and sea views. Exploring Kaleiçi slowly is one of the best ways to feel the spirit of Antalya and understand its long history as an important coastal city. 2. Visit Hadrian's Gate. Hadrian's Gate is one of Antalya's most iconic historical landmarks and a beautiful reminder of the city's Roman past. Built in the 2nd century to honor Emperor Hadrian's visit, the gate features 3 impressive arches decorated with detailed stone carvings. Walking beneath this ancient structure creates a strong sense of connection to history, as countless travelers and traders have passed through the same entrance for centuries. The gate stands at the edge of Kaleiçi, making it easy to include during a walking tour of the old town. The contrast between ancient architecture and the lively modern streets around it makes this spot especially fascinating for visitors interested in culture and history. 3. Relax at Konyaaltı Beach. Konyaaltı Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Antalya and offers a perfect mix of natural beauty and modern comfort. Stretching for several kilometers along the coast, the beach provides stunning views of the Taurus Mountains rising dramatically behind the city. The clear blue water is perfect for swimming, while beachside cafes and walking paths make it easy to spend an entire day relaxing here. Visitors can rent sunbeds, enjoy fresh drinks, or simply walk along the shore while listening to the waves. The combination of mountain scenery and Mediterranean water creates a breathtaking setting that feels both energizing and peaceful at the same time. 4. See Düden Waterfalls. Düden Waterfalls offer a refreshing escape from the city and showcase another side of Antalya's natural beauty. The waterfalls are surrounded by lush greenery, walking paths, and shaded areas that make them ideal for a relaxing visit. The upper falls provide peaceful picnic spots and viewing platforms, while the lower falls create a dramatic scene as water crashes directly into the Mediterranean Sea from high cliffs. Watching the power of the water while feeling cool mist in the air is a memorable experience, especially during warmer months. The area is perfect for photography and offers a calm atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the lively city center. 5. Visit Antalya Museum. Antalya Museum is one of Turkey's finest archaeological museums and an essential stop for anyone wanting to understand the region's rich past. The museum houses an impressive collection of statues, mosaics, coins, and artifacts from ancient civilizations that once thrived along the Mediterranean coast. Exhibits from Roman, Greek, and Byzantine periods help visitors connect the historical sites they see around the city with the people who once lived there. The displays are well organized and easy to explore, making the museum enjoyable even for casual travelers. Spending time here adds depth to your trip and helps bring Antalya's ancient history to life. Hit the like button if you liked the video. If you want exciting offers on flights, hotels, car rentals, eSIM, check the description below. Next 6. Take a coastal boat tour. A boat tour along Antalya's coastline is one of the most relaxing and scenic experiences you can have. Departing from the old harbor, boats cruise past dramatic cliffs, hidden caves, and sparkling turquoise water that looks almost unreal in the sunlight. Many tours include swimming stops in quiet bays where visitors can jump into clear water and cool off. The view of the city from the sea is especially beautiful, with cliffs rising above the harbor and mountains in the distance. Whether you choose a short cruise or a full-day trip, being on the water offers a fresh perspective of Antalya's natural beauty. 7. Explore Perge Ancient City. Just outside Antalya lies the ancient city of Perge, one of the best preserved Roman archaeological sites in the region. Walking through its wide streets, massive stadium, and impressive theater gives visitors a powerful sense of how grand this city once was. Stone columns and ancient ruins stretch across the landscape, allowing travelers to imagine daily life thousands of years ago. Unlike some crowded tourist sites, Perge often feels peaceful, giving you space to explore at your own pace. History lovers especially appreciate the scale and detail of the ruins. 8. Ride the Olympos cable car. For breathtaking panoramic views, take the Olympos cable car up into the Taurus Mountains. The ride lifts visitors high above forests and rocky slopes, revealing stunning views of the Mediterranean coastline below. At the top, observation areas offer cool mountain air and wide-open scenery that stretches for miles. The contrast between sea and mountains is truly spectacular, making this one of the most scenic experiences near Antalya. Even travelers who are not usually interested in mountain activities find this ride unforgettable. 9. Shop in local bazaars. Antalya's local markets and bazaars provide a lively and colorful shopping experience filled with traditional Turkish culture. Visitors can wander through stalls selling spices, textiles, ceramics, jewelry, and handmade goods while enjoying the energy of the marketplace. Friendly vendors often invite visitors to sample sweets or tea, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Shopping here is about more than buying souvenirs. It's about experiencing local life and enjoying the vibrant sounds, colors, and aromas of the city. 10. Watch Mediterranean sunsets. One of the most magical moments in Antalya is watching the sunset over the Mediterranean Sea. Whether you are sitting at a seaside cafe, walking along the harbor, or relaxing on the beach, the evening sky transforms into shades of orange, pink, and gold reflected across the water. The atmosphere becomes calm and romantic as the city lights begin to glow. Ending your day this way captures the true spirit of Antalya: peaceful, beautiful, and unforgettable.